These are the sides. Where is the vertex? You know,
Ma'am,
vertex of
vertex means the
triangle.
center, right?
Ma'am,
Vertex
vertex
is
is
like
something where
a
two
angle,
lines
not,
meet. Ma'am,
yeah, right.
vertex is
Like this is a vertex. I will draw the angle now. So that is called the vertex.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is also vertex. Okay. And this is an angle. In the inner side, you can call this is a angle
Triangle.
inside.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will learn in triangles some properties. Okay. What are the properties of triangle? So there are three triangles, you know very well, scalene, isosceles, equilateral. There are three, name of the triangles are acute angle, obtuse angle, I think you know, right
ma'am, they
angle.
are based
Yeah.
on the measures of the
Yeah,
angles
less
in
than
the
90
triangle.
degree, acute, 90 degree right, more than 90 degrees, obtuse. Now the thing is congruence. What we will learn in
Ma'am,
grade 9th
congruence.
triangles, congruence.
Ma'am, congruence is something like where two figures are given and they are seen to be congruent if both are similar and same.
Okay, means if the shape and size of two figures are same. What do you mean
Yes,
by
ma'am.
congruence?
Ma'am, if the shape, size, and the distance is same in the of two figures.
Yes. So that if the shape and size of two figures, but you have to compare two figures always in congruence, are same. That is known as, these are called congruence. Okay. Suppose this is a circle with center R. This is a circle with center R. These are two circles. So two circles are congruent because their radii are same. You can call that these two circles are congruent because if their radii are
Same.
same.
Ma'am, but how is circle related to these chapters? Radii.
So circle not the part in this triangles, but this is an example. Okay.
Okay.
Squares are same. Two squares are congruent if their sides are equal.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Squares are same if their sides are equal. So this is also congruent, right?
Ma'am, if angle is equal, it won't be congruent, right?
Yeah. We will learn about the angle, side angle like that.
Okay.
ASA, SSS, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we will learn. Next part is that one. Okay. The symbol of congruence and what is the rule behind the congruence. Note
Ma'am,
it
the
down.
symbol of congruence is like a curved line, ma'am. Two curved lines.
Yes, Sampath?
Ma'am, the symbol of the congruence is like two curved lines, ma'am.
Yes. Check your voice, Sampath, once because Rohit's voice is clear, but your side may be some issues. Check at
Yes, ma'am.
once. Your voice is coming very low.
Ma'am, is it now okay, ma'am?
So we will learn about the congruency parts. You know the symbol of congruence?
Ma'am, it is like two curved lines, no, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you once show it? We didn't learn congruence last year.
I think congruence is in class 7th also. This is a part of
Ma'am,
class
they
7.
didn't teach us properties of triangles and congruence in 7.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
But
is the
can you
symbol
write
of
it? Can you write it on the chat box?
Okay, ma'am.
Pranav, Rohit, Sampath voice is clear to you or very low?
Ma'am, I think he has to come closer to the screen and talk. I think he hasn't
Sampath,
very.
there is an issues because Rohit voice is clear, but your voice is not clear. Check it once, okay? Otherwise, write it on the chat box.
Ma'am, could you once show the congruent symbol?
Yes, sure. Just a second. Okay, so the symbol of congruence is this. This is the symbol of congruence. A triangle will be congruent if its corresponding sides this is corresponding, okay? Because I think maybe issues now, so that's why I wrote wrong. Corresponding sides and angles are equal. Suppose this is a triangle and this is another triangle. So this equal to this, that one equal to that one part, and this one equal to this one. And this is a side. Side equal to side. This side is equal to this side. This side equal to this side. So that you can say it is a congruent. Means what are the possibility? The possibilities are labeled this one ABC and DEF. Okay, so the possibilities are AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF. These three possibilities are there. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. These three are also possibility in these two triangles. So that you can say only three you have to choose. Only three. So that you can say triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So always you will compare with two triangles. This part is clear to you? Okay, now
Yes,
note it
ma'am.
down. After that, we will learn about the ASA, SSS, and SAS.
Ma'am, what are they?
What are?
What is ASS? What are
Angle,
those?
side, angle.
Okay.
Side, angle, side. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the basic part. After that, we will start. Okay?
Ma'am, will there be any proof questions in this chapter?
How many questions?
No, ma'am. Proof questions.
Yeah, all are the question based on proof. Only you have to prove.
Okay, ma'am.
But this is a very easy. You have to prove in only 3 sentences, now, because there are a 3 criteria.
Ma'am, it's actually
SSS,
SSS, ASA, or
yeah,
ASS, right?
ASA. ASA is also criteria. Okay, I will show you just a second.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
AAA is any criteria there, ma'am?
Yes. AAA the triple A. That means triple A is no. There is no criteria of triple A. Only ASA. I will show you. The criteria is triple S is criteria. Side. One first criteria is this. RHS is a criteria, right angle side. That one is 90 degree. If the triangle is 90 degree, so the criteria is RHS. And triple S is the criteria. AAS is the criteria, angle side. ASA is the criteria, angle side angle. And SAS is the criteria. So there are 5 criteria only. Triple is not any criteria. Okay.
Okay,
So I
ma'am.
will explain this one verbally. Okay. No need to write it.
Ma'am, right hand side is a criteria.
Only 90 degree. If your triangle is in the form of 90 degree like that, so that you will use this criteria only. Like that.
Ma'am,
This is the
if
right triangle.
RHS is a criteria, won't LHS also be one?
Yes, 90 degrees given, na? So that you will use. You
Ma'am,
can
so
use.
even if LHS is 90, it's a criteria.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So just a second, then I will explain these all. Okay, you will note it down. So, what is the first one? The first one is triple S, right?
Ma'am, side.
Yes. Listen to me. If all the 3 sides of a triangle are equal with the 3 corresponding side of the another triangle, so that it is a congruent triangle.
So,
Means,
ma'am, like you showed us the example of ABCDEF, right?
yes, you will always write it down like this.
Ma'am, when does RHS come into criteria again? When the
RHS is okay. I will explain you RHS. Don't worry. Firstly, we will go through SSS. Okay, how to draw the SSS in
ma'am,
triangle?
is it an equilateral triangle?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
means
we
the
will
corresponding
use
one, na?
denotions. Ma'am, we will use denotions like one line on one small line and two lines small line like that.
One is a smaller one. The next one, but now see, if your triangle is in the form of like this, suppose this is the same form. Sorry, this is the same form like that, and you will marked A, B, C, D, E, F, any other, if your choice, this is your choice. It is given also in some questions. So this is a SSS, na? So that AB is equal to always DE. If this one side is equal to that one side only. AB equal DE. If you draw like this is a bigger line and this is a smaller line, na? So that it is not a match. Okay, it is not in a correct way. Always you will draw the same measurement. If you will draw, otherwise given. Okay, no worries. Possibility of given, only given, you will always, you will write it down the steps. Okay. So first is AB is equal to DE. So next is BC is equal to EF. Third one is AC is equal to DF. So these 3 are the possibility to prove the congruency, so that these 2 triangles are congruent. So which criteria you will use? You will use SSS congruency. By SSS congruency, after that you will write, therefore, these 2 triangles are equal. Okay. In
Yes, ma'am.
RHS, if there are 2 right angle means if you will draw the right
Ma'am,
angle like
if
this.
there are two 90-degree angles, right?
Yes, it is mandatory in right hand RHS, na? you will make the 90-degree angle. And it is given also. Only you will write it down the steps. Which criteria you will use. Criteria always you write, not given. Suppose if there are two right angles, this is a two right angles. If you will see that this is a 90-degree. So they will be congruent if their hypotenuse are equal, if their bases are equal. If their perpendicular sides are equal. But you will write not by SSS, SAS, only you will write this is a RHS congruency criteria. Okay. And you will show your sides. AB equal that one side means if the bases are BC. So next base is a EF. Like that, all are same. Angle, side, two angles and one side are equal. In that case, ASA, angle, side, angle, two angle, one side are equal. SAS, two side, one angle are equal. Like that.
Ma'am, could you explain RHS again? I did not understand.
Adjacent.
No, ma'am, RHS.
RHS is a 90-degree. No? This is 90-degree. Only you will write the RHS. This is 90-degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, same procedure. Means same sides you will use. Suppose this is ABC. And this is DEF. So you will write like this. That AC is equal. Hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse. Base is equal to base.
And
Perpendicular is equal to, yeah, perpendicular. But this is not a SAS, ASA, because this is a right
this
angle.
is only applied for right angle, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, left hand side will also be the same, right?
Left hand side, only sides are. Angle also, if you will write angle A is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle F, and angle AB is equal to angle E.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, I will show you. Suppose triple A is not a right condition. SSA is not a right condition. You can't write SSA, ASS and triple A. Okay, note it down. Because it is wrong. If you will write now, so it
Ma'am,
is.
so we can't write triple S, ASA and SAS, right? For right angle.
The formation is always same. Just a second. So in this question, 105 and 45 is given to you only. You have to find N, P, R, and M. But these two triangles are congruent. So you will write all the steps and measure it.
This one. Ma'am, congruent means they're equal, right?
Yes?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
congruent. Yeah, I
Yeah.
know.
Equal.
Ma'am, is the first one a 90-degree triangle?
There is no 90 degree.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to solve.
Yes, you have to solve it because congruency is given to you na, and find all the angles after solving.
Ma'am, I got 90 degrees and 75 degrees.
Yeah, what is the answer? 90 and 75. How it is possible? From my side, N is coming 30. See,
Oh,
L,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, see, L is equal to which angle?
So, ma'am,
L
M,
is
right?
equal to which angle?
P.
P. Because
P.
this is the opposite figure. So L is equal to P. So that if L is 105, so P is also
101.
105.
105.
Then M is equal to which angle?
Q.
M is equal to which angle?
Q.
Q.
Q. Very good. So that it would be 45, right?
Yes.
Now only you have to choose one angle and find the third one. If you are choosing M and L, so let's find out.
Yes, ma'am.
The sum of three angles of triangle are 180 degree. Now what is the answer then?
So, ma'am, I sent you my answer. Is it correct or not? Can you check?
Yes, 30 degree is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
N and R is 30 degree. Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Okay. Because this is a congruent now, so all the angles are equal.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm giving you one question. Okay. This is the last one. Then we will start to do exercise from tomorrow, Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
You will revise all the rules and then we will start to do exercise.
Ma'am, when will we be getting the maths marks for the test?
I will check today because it is not opening in my laptop now. So there is a problem. So that's why I could not able to open it, but I will check
Ma'am.
today positively. Yeah. Now, if I'm giving you AD is equal to BC and BAD is equal to ABC, then ACB is equal to I will show you figure also. Maybe in this figure is not given. If AD equal BC and BAD is equal ABC, then ACB is equal to. Can you draw the figure also?
Ma'am, this is the criterion triple S is being used here, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, is angle ACB equal to ABD?
But I think the figure is like that. Now you have to write the congruency parts. This is the figure.
Okay.
Side is given to you. Okay, angle you have to choose. ADBC is given, BAD, that one. BAD, that one. ABC. This one is also equal. Now ACB is equal to, now you will show it. And the way to write in triangle, firstly you will write in triangle. ADB and ACB. This is mandatory. Firstly, you have to write in triangle. Then you will write ADBC equal. Then you will write this is given. Reason is very important in congruency. Angle BAD is equal to ABC. This is also given. And I will take AB equal AB. This is, I will take my own. This is common. AB is common in two triangles. AB is in triangle BAD, AB is in ABC. So AB is common. So therefore you will write these two triangles are congruent. When you will write these two triangles are congruent, then you have to prove anything. You have to prove any angle, anything. So that you will write by CPCT. Firstly, you will write the congruency. Which congruency is this? SAS.
Side angle.
Okay, this is also mandatory to write SAS. Okay,
Ma'am,
otherwise you
nice.
deduct your marks. This is SAS, by SAS congruency. After that, you will write by CPCT. What is the meaning by CPCT?
Ma'am, congruency by
Congruent part of congruent triangle.
Okay.
Okay, then you will write ACB is equal to
CD.
ADB.
CD.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, maybe.
So that these steps are very important. So please be careful when you are doing, when you will do the sum of triangles. So you have to write these all steps by reason. Reason is very important. Okay,
Okay.
by using reason, by CPCT, by congruency, ASA, SAS. Okay, now revise this question, then we will leave.
Okay.
Okay, revise this one.
Ma'am, I'm done revising.
Okay, so it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
bye.